How will Trump's latest tweet about taxes impact you? Since his inauguration, Donald Trump and all of his executive orders have been all over the news. None more so than one that caught social media by storm. And in short, it said, if you receive child support, you don't get to claim your kids on taxes. This was a completely fabricated rumor started on social media. Divorce is messy. Custody battles are even messier. But you know what's an absolute nightmare? Taxes after divorce. Yep, today we're tackling the age-old question, who gets to claim the kids on taxes? And guess what? Sometimes letting the other parent take the deduction might actually save you money. According to the IRS, the parent who has the kids most nights of the year, that's over 50% of the time, gets to claim them on their taxes. They're called the custodial parent, but it's not just about where the kid sleeps, it's about nights spent under your roof. If you're the non-custodial parent, don't despair. If the custodial parent signs this magical little document called the IRS Form 8332, this allows you to claim the kids on the taxes even if you didn't win the overnight count. Let's talk dollars and cents. When you claim your kids, here is what is at stake. Number one, the child tax credit. That's up to a $2,000 per qualifying child. The earned income tax credit, a big deal if you're in the lower earning income bracket. Number three, child care credits for daycare, after school programs, or even nannies. And number four, the head of household filing status. That's a huge one, giving you an even bigger standard deduction. But here's the catch. Only one parent gets to claim these benefits. If you and your ex both claim the kids, congratulations. You've just invited the IRS to your post-divorce drama, and they don't bring the wine to the party. Here's where strategy comes into play, especially if you're a parent paying child support. While the custodial parent is usually entitled to claim the kids, it might actually benefit you to let them do it, even if you could fight for it. Why? Because the parent who claims the kids gets tax credits, which can directly reduce their tax bill. And if they're getting those credits, the dissomaster may well swing a little bit more in your favor. It's all about the bigger picture. Sometimes letting the other parent win this round puts you in a stronger position overall. But hey, I'm a family law attorney. Talk to your tax advisor before making any deals. Now let's just say you and your ex have an agreement in your divorce decree. Maybe you alternate who claims the kids each year. Odds for one parent and evens for the other. That's a common solution that keeps things pretty fair. But here's a tip. If you're doing this, make sure you're both on the same page when tax season rolls around. If you both claim the same kid by accident, it's a fast track to a rejected filing, or worse, an audit. Not fun, but maybe a little less likely if Trump cans those 87,000 IRS workers that Biden hired. But Mark, what if it's a perfect 50-50 split in terms of custody? The IRS goes to a tiebreaker, and guess what? It's not who makes the best mac and cheese.
Yum, yum.
It's who has the higher adjusted gross income. So sorry, lower earning parents, you're out of luck. Got more than one kid? Split the difference. One parent claims one child, the other claims the next. It's a win-win unless you start arguing over who gets the one with the bigger lifetime tax benefit. At the end of the day, taxes and custody are just a part of the much bigger picture. Think strategically, communicate clearly, and get everything in writing. If you're unsure, talk to your attorney and your tax professional. It's always better to plan ahead than to clean up a tax mess later. And remember, whether you're claiming the kids or letting your ex take the deduction, it's all about what's best for your family's financial future. Play the long game. If you found this to be helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your tax or family law question in the comments. And let's help dads and families win smarter. See you next time.